what's going on, everybody? Bat883 here. Today I'm going to show you how to install LEDs on your motorcycle. Sitting right here with Bat Mama. Hi, Bat Mama. What we're going to try to do, we're going to try to install these LED kits onto the motorcycle. I got a technique that I'm going to do to try to patch it into the accessory line, and hopefully if that works, it'll turn off when I turn the motorcycle off, turn on when I turn the motorcycle on, and it shouldn't drain my battery. I'm going to do a time lapse, so just watch it. And I'll go over the technicals with everybody, just because this guy over here is cutting grass. So. I wonder if we put the lawnmower on the back of the motorcycle, I could do like a whole entire garden for you, just burning out. Our first thing we just basically want to make sure that we do is wipe down all of the parts where the glue's gonna be in contact, because we don't want it to fall off. There's a lot of moving parts down here. We don't want it to get tangled up, because if it does, that might be tragic and you die. So we ain't got time for that. I went through all of the lights. They gave us about like 12 different lights. Cool part about it is that you can also download an app. So it's 3 different ways of controlling it, with a remote, a keychain remote, and then we also have like the QR code, so you can download the app and change it from your app. A few different things that I definitely know you're gonna need. You're gonna need some cable ties, just to make sure that you keep them out of the way from moving parts and your engine and all that stuff. And then you're definitely going to need some silicone tape. I got this at Home Depot. It's really cool because it keeps out all types of moisture. You can use it in high heat settings, so it's perfect if you need to wrap things around the engine and everything else like that. All right, y'all, we got the bare basics on. We got the 2 tails on, boop, boop. I was trying to get this little strip right here mounted right under, I don't know if you guys can see it, like right under here. The only issue with that is that the cavity is a little too deep. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna beefing it up a little bit by putting some 3M tape inside of it. And hopefully this will be able to stick inside of it. Quick side note, let me make sure that you guys understand this. When you're wiring up your LEDs, you want everything to be routed towards where your battery is. If it's in the front, your cable should go back. If it's in the back, your cable should go forward. You want everything to go like this. We got everything on there. We just need to go ahead and just wrap these. After that, we'll go ahead and wire it up. I'll show you guys how to wire that up. Zip tie it, we good to go, we hit the road. Wire this thing up. Once I take a positive cable, and instead of wiring it up directly to the battery, I want to try to see what happens if I wire it up to an accessory positive line. If I do that, when I turn the key on, it will deliver power. If I turn the key off, it will not deliver power. This will just help me make sure that the battery comes down. That will happen to me before. Alright, you guys, I got everything hooked up. It's time to go to turn it on. We're gonna go to turn it on, see if this works. If this works, we're gonna wrap it in the go and see on it. We done. We did it. Alright, now if I turn it off, it should turn off. So turn off. Sweet. Alright, everybody, so we just hooked up these LEDs, yo, and what I did was wire it directly to my accessory line. If you're advanced in electronics, or you know exactly what you're doing, I would suggest you tapping it into that. If not, you can turn it into your battery, but you have to make sure that you turn the lights off when you get off the bike. If not, you will drain your battery. So what I did was I just basically took my positive line right here, and I basically tapped directly straight into my accessory line, which is also connected to my sound system. So that way when I take the key out and I turn the key off, it turns off. So we're gonna go ahead and put the seat on here. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like at night. Hopefully everything works out good. Boom, straight like that, y'all. That's the how to install LEDs on a motorcycle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. I will be sure to leave the link to the LED strips that I'm using in the comments below. Make sure you check that out. I got it off of Amazon, fairly cheap. If you enjoyed this tutorial, man, please be sure to smash the subscribe button, man. Give me a thumbs up in the comment. Tell me what's your favorite mod you like to do on the motorcycle. Let me know in the comments. Please be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Bat883. You can also follow me on Facebook at Bat883Moto. Please be sure to follow. Please be sure to like. Give me the thumbs up. Smash that bell icon so you get all of the future notifications, man. Until next time, you guys, y'all make sure y'all stay safe. Keep out for all of these crazy out here's on the road. Deuces.